to a different site in here, and this video I will show you converting from a server Cortex server with a GUI in Windows Server 2012 R2. Okay, and then if you forget about the comment, I have prepared a website that provider the comment. Okay, this website. I put this link website in description my videos. Now let me see. I'm in server where we just installed the Windows Server 2012 core. So this does not have a GUI now. Let's say I want to have a GUI or the full GUI and the minimal GUI. Well, it's not quite as easy as going from full GUI down to server core and never server core to the full GUI, because since with a self-rise copy of the core, and it doesn't have the ability to add extra features that we need for the full GUI or the minimal GUI. So we need the specific where it's going to be. Now we could put all the network like in this is going around our so comment here. Install Windows features, server GUI management, and this will give your immediate HTML tools. The server utilities will give you full GUI, and then the search option there's going to specify where these binaries are, or if we don't have them on the network, we can actually monitor from your installation DVD. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel out the comment. So I'm not going to run the comment and hit exit off out PowerShell. So first I'm going to make a new directory with the Mac directory color mount the directory. So this is going to be a directory that we're going to mount our Windows image to. So then get info is going to show us all the different images that are in file. And I got my installation, my Windows Server 2012 installation DVD in my D drive. So go ahead and hit enter. So we got all this in different index here, 1 2 3 and 4. Number 1 is the Windows Server 2012. So that one I currently got, it's all I exactly the binaries from the full GUI version with the Windows Server 2012 server standard. So I need index to, if it's using data center, then I will need index down here, but I'm using starter, so I'm going to use index to show the next comment we're going to run. This is some slash mount when it's going mount or Windows image slash vim file column, and my path is because where my DVD drive is the black slash source black slash install dot with slash index. We got number 2 here from your index slash mounder. We're going to mount it the new direction that is correct, and we going to make read only. So go ahead and hit enter, and it's going to hit and mount the image. So also could have the computer and create a file share indirectly on, let's say, my computer. So the server call access is open pathing either on the server mounting either on the server. There's another option, and we use the command. I'm sorry, Ethan. Source the with the use of black slash in my example file server 01 black slash wins 12 because sometimes it is to mount something you can compare that is to mount something to a server, because the server may be in data center. Alright, now it's one that we're going to run that PowerShell command. Going to be install Windows features space server gmt infra. This is going to be one the feature, and then comma space server GUI the shell space, and then our search space, and then size my C drive and amount their folder. The full path is going to be Windows black slash Windows X. So I go and hit enter, and it's going to go ahead this feature and loading. Okay, and it's complete. Let me know that it's not to restart the computer. So go ahead to the from the PowerShell. From here, let's use the restart computer command edit. Okay, it's restart. Bye guys.